Second set. That's what they're doing. Come on, Stars. Okay, good start at least. We need it. Come on. Nice serve. Yeah, good job, Serena. Good job. Yeah. Ooh. Yeah, good job at the net. Yeah.
Good job, Sierra. Good luck.
I could see that coming. Yeah, as soon as I went through the block, I was like, oh, you gotta get it. She's good. She's a force in the middle, no doubt. Yeah, that helps. Good up, Jess. Yeah, good job, Bailey.
Good job, Bailey.
Nice hit. Come on, Tess. Good job, Jess. Way to hang in there. Yeah. Good job. Keep it up. Ooh, nice serve. Cover that ball. Oh, good try. Good try on that, Serena. I thought you had it. That's a good spot. Hit it. Oh. It's all right. Good try. Good try.
Tap your wrist. Follow through.
Come on, ladies.
Try. The next one. Come on.
Yep. Stop right here. Come on. Dig in, ladies. Stop the momentum. Come on. There you go. Do something with it here. Come on. It went over, didn't it? Darn. Dang. They fought hard for that point. Come on, we got a side out here. Come on.
Side out. Let's go.
Ooh. Good save. Come on, Jess. There you go. Oh. That's no further.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah. We fought hard for that one because that was not an easy point. It looked like it was going the other way. Come on, Jess. There you go. Nice serve. Ooh, thought I was going to do better than that even. Come on, to get up. Come on, do something with it, ladies. Ooh. Good up, Jess. Ooh. Nice. Keep battling. Keep fighting. Come on. Yeah. Come on, you get this. Come on, use it, girls. Come on. Yeah. Good job, Stars. Nice. Oh, they shouldn't have rotated on them, should they? I think we already had the ball, didn't we? Maybe she's doing something. Oh, it made it over. They called lift. Okay, I'll take it. That was kind of, it looked borderline lift if it was. But she had a close fist, though. But. I think they weren't supposed to rotate though. Maybe she's mixing it up. Good up, Jess. Nice. Good up, Jess. Way to hang with it. Good job, Jess.
Side out.
Yeah, nice hit. Good job, Tess. Yeah, I think they rotated wrong or something. Okay, use it, use it. There you go. Yeah. Oh, that was beautiful. Just didn't get land. Oh, yeah. Way to hang with it. Nice. Yeah, very good. Yeah. Keep it up, Ariana.
Going for the kill. Come on. Don't run up.
In, yes. Yeah. Keep it up, Stars.
Keep serving, guys. Come on.
Keep that serve. Blocked. Ooh, that was nice. That was a darn good hit. I give them their props on that one. That was perfect. Good cover. Yeah, good job, Sam.
Way to stay with it.
Good side out there. Good job. Come on, Emma. You made the move. Yeah. I think this is the best they played all year this set. This set, they're looking pretty good. They're looking like a team out there. Got to get Emma back out there. She's dying of thirst. So. Come on, Emma. Nice. Nice job. Yeah! Yeah! Woo! Beautiful. Good job, Tess. Keep it up, Emma. Come on, keep it. Yeah, there you go, nice. Oh! Well, that almost worked. She just missed the line there. Come on, Stars, side out, good try. Good job, Ariana. Good hit. It's all right, let's keep pushing the attack to them. Come on, get it back here. Come on. Side out here, ladies. Ooh, darn. They're tough. They're fighting hard right now. We got them on the ropes, so come on, let's get it back. Come on. Yeah! Good job, Shelby. Nice hit. Come on, push it. Keep them on the defense. Come on.
Let's go!
Yeah. Nice. Free ball. Use it. That's all right. You save it. Good save. Good save. Get up. Yeah. Now use that. Yes. At least you're standing on the offense. It's good. Yeah. Oh. Good try, Tess. Come on, lady. Heck of a set, I'll say that. Come on, ladies. Let's get this one. Come on. Ooh, gosh, she made a good up on that. I thought she buried it. 4, yeah. She blew it. Yeah. Come on, Stars. Keep it up. Keep pushing it. Come on, Serena. Ooh. Went up by Manson. 15-11. Come on, keep it up. Good cover, Emma. Oh, good block. Darn. I'd love to have that one. Come on, get it right back.
Side out!
Ooh, boy, that's a good serve. Oh. 15-13. We're getting tight. Come on. Come on, ladies. Come on, ladies.
Go, side out!
Side out here. You use one of them bad serves, that would help. Not gonna happen. They're streaky as heck, man. They're playing some good ball right here. You gotta shut them down. Come on.
Right here, girls! Come
Shut them down. Come on, get it. Take the offensive again. Come on.
on! Go for the kill, let's go!
Up. Time out. Darn, just when you think you got them, they come fighting back hard, man. It's all right. We can get this. We can see a side out real bad. Come on, Star. Side out. I think this is the best set they played all year. The team's good. They can get this. Come on.
Get it.
Come on, Stars.
Don't let out.
Let's do this. Come on. Good. Come on, Tess. Nice serve. Ooh. Dang, I love seeing that go in. Oh. Dang, they're having a hard time with her. She's eating her lunch. Come on, get him up. Get him up. They're playing good enough to win this thing, yeah. Good cover, Jess. Oh, shoot. Thought we had that one. Good up. Fight for it, ladies. Come on. Yeah. Oh. Darn, it was in. I don't think she could have got to it anyway.
You gotta play those girls. Come on. All of them.
Come on, ladies. Don't give up on this one yet. Come on, fight for it. Yeah, there you go. Smart. Good job, Serena. Good job. Come on, Jess. Good cover, Jess. Yeah! Oh, man, they saved it. Dang. Yes! Yeah! One more. Push one, Jess.
Go.
Good serve. Don't give him a freebie. Ah, crap. Shit, I knew they were going to go to her. She's a lot. She's can put it down, man. Come on, ladies.
Come on now. Side out.
Good cover. Yeah. Oh, gosh. Thought we had it. I can't believe they say that. Oh. Yeah.
Take control. Let's go.
I can't believe they saved that other one. I was like, no way to get that up. Oh. Come on, Ariana. They called timeout. You can't ask for better volleyball, though. They got to do that. Because of timeout, threw them off, yeah. Come on, ladies. Push one there. Yeah, we're ahead. Come on, get up there. Yeah! Good job, Stars! Yeah! 2018.